Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's DJ Shaw, One King Legend, coming at you here with another unboxing video. So I'm going to get right into it. Alright, so what we have here is the Rockville PPA52. So this right here is a Pro 1U rack preamp with Bluetooth, USB, and PC interface. Alright, so all that in one single space unit. Alright, so I wanted to go with the preamp to try to get some Bluetooth connectivity, so that way I don't have to use my tablet, you know, with the cord plugged into the mixer. I can just go ahead and just connect directly to any device via USB or Bluetooth, and I'm connected with no wires. Alright, so this will be going on the sound system. Alright, so I'm just doing an unboxing right now, and I will hook it up on another video. Alright, so what you get is your manual here, alright, with your warranty card. Alright, packed very nicely. Alright, let's see what this is here. This is probably the power unit. Watch this video before first use. Alright. I want to see what this is. What is this? Let's see what this is here. This is probably the power cord. Yep, this is the power cord. Alright. Okay, so here's the unit. Not too heavy, not too light. Let's see what it feels like. Alright, so this is what we got here. Alright. This is the Rockville PPA52. Alright, so dials feel good. Not too bad. Knobs feel good. It feels pretty good. I like it. You know, they turn smoothly. That's what I like. It's not a very expensive piece of equipment, but still, it's good build. Alright, so it's almost like the Behringer products, you know, like some people know what I'm talking about. When you turn the knobs, you feel they're a little sticky, kind of, you know, points to them. These are nice and smooth, so I would give it a notch up from the Behringer type of products. Right, everything is kind of smooth. Not saying Behringer is bad, but I'm just saying like their pots are usually kind of sticky, wobbly. These are pretty firm. They turn smoothly. Alright. Nice metal chassis, no fingerprints. Alright. Here's the back of it. Alright, so you have a phono, you have an aux 3, aux 2, aux 1. Then you have your line ins, which is 1/4 inch. Thank goodness for that. Alright, so these are all inputs. Alright, then you have your USB interface. Alright, so that's pretty good right there. Alright, so and this is your left and right. Right here it says right, left, master output, and these are XLRs. Alright, and here's your power plug. Alright, and it says made in China. Alright. Okay, so looks good to me. I'm gonna hook it up, and I'm gonna do another video on it coming this week. Alright, it's a little bit cold in the lab right now, so I don't feel like going out there and doing it right now. So what I'll do is wait till it warms up a little bit, put some heat on out there, and I'll make a video with it all hooked up. Alright. So this is the Rockville PPA52 preamp. All right, we can call this one the Bluetooth device. All right, the Bluetooth preamp. That's why I bought it, for the main purpose of Bluetooth. All right, so there you have it, and I'll catch you on the next vid. All right, stay tuned. DJ Show One King Legend signing out.